This video tutorial discusses how to access Creo-related blog articles in Punditas AI Advisor. Punditas is an AI-powered platform revolutionizing the way users train, adopt, and excel with enterprise software like PTC Creo Parametric. By leveraging artificial intelligence and machine learning, Punditas adapts to user preferences, learns individual needs, and delivers what truly matters, transforming the software experience like never before. Punditas AI simplifies access to high-quality blogs and case studies, providing curated insights from trusted platforms like PDS Vision, RAN 3D, and more. Stay updated on the latest CAD, PLM, IoT, and AR or VR developments with targeted, relevant information tailored to your needs. Save time, enhance productivity, and gain the expertise to excel in your field. Punditas AI Advisor provides real-time guidance as you work in the Creo environment. Information on how to use a feature in Creo or best practices for working with Creo are presented within context, removing the need to guess or search for such information. Punditas AI-driven content helps you leverage Creo to create your designs faster and with confidence. Punditas AI can be accessed from within PTC Creo user interface. Punditas AI allows users to explore different perspectives. For Creo blog articles, select References Perspective as shown here. Search for any Creo-related topic within the search box provided, for example, additive manufacturing. Punditas AI-based Insights Engine presents search results in the form of a knowledge graph that includes case studies and blog articles for PTC Creo as shown in the picture. The left pane allows filtering of perspectives such as product, support, customer, references, and partner. 288 search results for additive manufacturing is displayed, of which 272 search results pertaining to blog articles. References perspective in Punditas AI presents two data streams, blogs and case studies. Punditas knowledge graph structure helps users quickly find specific Creo-related information by organizing data. The knowledge graph for references perspective offers two key data streams, blog articles and case studies. This comprehensive approach ensures users have the tools they need to troubleshoot effectively and keep their workflows running smoothly. Now let's explore the 272 blog articles available for additive manufacturing. This page provides a detailed view of the searched topic. The top pane displays the number of search results, such as 272 blog articles in this case. All these blogs are curated by Punditas AI. The blog articles cloud offers a visual representation of popular blogs, making it easier for you to find relevant and up-to-date PTC Creo information. The left pane allows you to filter search results. Additional information about this pane will be covered later in this video. The data table displays all the search results for the search string additive manufacturing. Here is the preview of paid version of Punditas AI Advisor. All the blog articles can be accessible without any limitations. To review a specific blog in the data table, expand the row by clicking on the plus button as shown. Each blog article within Punditas AI shows the title, description as well as the source. Although, each blog is automatically tagged for easy retrieval. One of the important aspects of Punditas AI Advisor is the hyperlink back to blog article. Clicked blog article on concurrent engineering. As previously discussed, Punditas AI's filter feature allows users to easily search and select blogs from specific platforms or their favorites, simplifying access, eliminating manual searches, and ensuring quick results from preferred sources. The filter includes blog platforms such as 3HTI, Concurrent Engineering, EACPDS, and more. To access videos, help and other perspectives or nodes in the knowledge graph, click on the back button from Detailed View for the blog articles. Punditas AI makes it effortless to find top-quality blogs on CAD, PLM, IoT, and AR. By curating content from platforms like PTC, 3HTI, and NXRev, it eliminates manual searches and keeps engineers informed and productive with the latest industry insights. For more information, connect with us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or email us at contact@punditas.com.